The concept of a saturated buffer is a modification of a riparian buffer, an area of vegetation along stream banks or ditches. It's a drainage system that allows drainage water to flow as shallow groundwater through the buffer soil. A saturated buffer system consists of a shallow perforated drain pipe, or tile lateral, that extends parallel along a stream or ditch in a riparian buffer and is connected to the drainage main via a control structure or diverter box. Drainage water seeps from the tile lateral through the riparian area where the existing vegetation can uptake both the water and nutrients in the drainage water. Allowing the drainage water to seep through the riparian buffer soil provides several natural benefits, including uptake of nutrients and water by vegetation, denitrification or conversion of nitrate to nitrogen gas, and drain flow reduction. Saturated buffers can also enhance wildlife habitat. Saturated buffers reduce nitrate loads by increasing denitrification, increasing plant uptake, and reducing flow to the stream. Saturated buffers are ideally suited to provide treatment of drainage water where drain outlets through a buffer area, whereas conventional drainage pipes usually flow directly into the stream or ditch. Research showed that saturated buffers can reduce nitrate loads substantially, with an average removal between 40 and 50%. Under low flow conditions, when most water flows through the buffer, 100% nitrate load reduction can be achieved, but less load reduction is expected under high flows. Saturated buffers fit well at the edge of farm fields and use what is already in place, soil and plants in the riparian buffer, so they require limited investment but have high potential to reduce nitrate loads with very little maintenance or management required. For more information, visit www.conservationdrainage.net.